Hey there, savvy drivers. Are you ready to hit the road with confidence? Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams. In this video, we're uncovering the best 3-channel dash cams with Wi-Fi that will not only keep an eye on the road, but also capture every moment in stunning detail. Whether you want peace of mind during your daily commute or protection for those unexpected events, these dash cams are game changers. With features like live streaming, high-resolution recording, and effortless connectivity, you won't want to miss what we have in store. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump right into the top picks that will transform your driving experience. Let's go! Number 5. AZDOME M550, the ultimate 3-channel dash cam designed for modern drivers. This high-performance device captures stunning visuals with its 4K plus 2.5K dual dash cameras, providing crystal-clear video from the front, rear, and even the interior. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to the AZDOME app on iOS or Android for seamless video playback and sharing of your favorite travel moments. The integrated GPS ensures perfect tracking of your routes, offering vital data during emergencies. Plus, the advanced IR and WDR night vision technology ensures you're covered day or night. With 3 modes of parking monitor, collision detection, time-lapse, and motion detection, your vehicle is safeguarded around the clock. The package includes a 64GB SD card for your convenience, and AZDOME's dedicated support team is available 24/7 for any inquiries. The AZDOME M550 dashcam is not just a camera. It's your reliable co-pilot for every journey. Number 4. Icesky M4 dashcam is redefining vehicle safety with its state-of-the-art features. Equipped with a cutting-edge Sony sensor and Novatech chipset, this dashcam captures high-definition video in 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution. Whether you're driving for family, as a new driver, or working with Uber/Lyft, the M4 provides cinematic video evidence in case of accidents. Its versatility shines through with dual dash cam modes. You can opt to disable internal recordings for privacy or switch to 4K mode for crystal clear front captures. Enjoy effortless app control for live streaming and sharing your journeys on social media. Worried about incidents during parking? The 24-hour parking mode offers peace of mind by recording suspicious activities around your vehicle. Plus, the included 64GB memory card means you're ready to go right out of the box. With simplified installation and a 24-month warranty, Icesky M4 is your best choice for reliable protection on the road. Number 3. WOLFBOX i07 3-channel dash cam, your ultimate driving companion. This exceptional dash cam records simultaneously in 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p HD quality, ensuring 360 degrees protection for all your journeys. The ultra-wide-angle lenses cover the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle, enhancing safety and providing crucial evidence in the event of an accident. With 6 infrared night vision LEDs and advanced Starvis technology, experience stunning clarity even in low-light conditions. The high-resolution front camera captures 4K footage, while the 3-inch LCD screen gives you a clear view of your recordings. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi allow you to track your driving routes and easily share footage via your smartphone. The triple parking modes ensure 24/7 surveillance, capturing incidents with collision boot recording and time-lapse options. Enhanced durability is guaranteed with Type-C power input and a supercapacitor. Plus, WOLFBOX offers 24/7 customer support for any queries. Upgrade your car's surveillance with the WOLFBOX i07, the best 3-channel dash cam with Wi-Fi. Number 2. COXPAL 3-channel dash cam. This cutting-edge device offers stunning image clarity with 2K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear recordings, powered by advanced image sensors tailored for diverse weather conditions. Designed for reliability, it features an ultra-durable supercapacitor and optimized heat dissipation, ensuring long-lasting performance. With integrated GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities, you can easily sync time, monitor speed, and share your footage directly from your smartphone. The infrared night vision lets you capture the cabin in total darkness, adding another layer of protection. Installation is a breeze with both adhesive and electrostatic mounts that eliminate shaking and residue. Plus, a user-friendly interface and dedicated customer service ensure that you feel supported every step of the way. The COXPAL dashcam is truly your all-in-one solution for the best 3-channel dashcams with Wi-Fi, making it easier than ever to safeguard your journeys. Number 1. Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi 360 degrees dashcam. This industry-leading dash camera offers a groundbreaking 360-degree protection with 4 lenses recording simultaneously front, rear, and 2 cabin views, ensuring no blind spots with stunning 2.7K resolution. Featuring Starvis 2 technology and IR night vision, it ensures clarity in low light conditions, making it perfect for rideshare drivers and families alike. The N5's advanced 5G Wi-Fi and GPS functionalities allow for seamless uploads and precise location tracking through the Vantrue app. Plus, the smart voice control minimizes distractions, while the 24/7 buffered parking mode offers ultimate security when your vehicle is unattended. With user-friendly features like easy detachment and high compatibility for various vehicle types, the Vantrue N5 stands out as the best choice for anyone seeking the reliability and comprehensive coverage of a dashcam with Wi-Fi. In conclusion, the best 3-channel dashcams with Wi-Fi combine advanced features, high video quality, and user-friendly interfaces, making them essential for any driver. Whether you prioritize safety, monitoring, or convenience, these dashcams can meet your needs. Choose the one that fits your style and enhance your driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful reviews and updates.